Hi, in this demo video of Form Titan in Salesforce, I would like to show you how to work with the country and state lists from Salesforce. In our example, let's say we want to display our account's billing address and we want them to be able to change it and so on and so forth. So what I'll do is something very simple. Let's bring in the account name and just the billing state and the billing country. That's all I want. So that will be country, and obviously we need to remove all these options. And I want another one, so I'll do a copy and paste for the state. So this is state. Okay, perfect. For the country, I will add the search box so we can search, and let's do the same for the state. Cool. Lastly, I'll bring a hidden field so I can pass in the account ID to it. So this will be account ID. Right. So the first thing we want to do is populate a country list with the available countries from Salesforce. So we'll go to Salesforce integration, get data from Salesforce, map fields, and add object. Here we will select the country pick list. I want it to run as soon as the form loads. There are no conditions. All I have to do, I will set the sort order by country obviously, and I will map the fields to my country dropdown. That's all I have to do. That's one thing done. Now what we have to do is, as soon as we select a country, we want to populate the state pick list with those available states for that country. So I'll click add object again. This time it's a state pick list. The condition is that the country for that state equals to the country we have selected. And again, the mapping is quite simple. We just map to the state. And again, let's just set a sort order by state so they'll come nicely ordered. Great. And the last thing to do obviously is to bring the actual account we are passing in. So I click add object again, and here we want to bring an account. The condition will be by account ID, that is equal to our account ID hidden field. And I just want to map my fields. So I want to show the account name, the country, which is the billing country, and state. Obviously you can show as many fields as you want. And I'll click apply, and that's done with getting data. To save the data, it's pretty simple. You go to push to Salesforce and edit and add object, and here I'll select the account object. I'll say I want you to update an account, and it will be by account ID obviously, and then just map the fields. So account name, then billing state will be state, and country will be our country. That's all we have to do to deal with state and countries in Salesforce. So let's see this in action. Here is my Salesforce account. You can see that the current billing address is Arkansas, United States. I'll just pass in the ID to this hidden field, field 40, so I'll publish it, click view, and I'll just change the URL to equals that, which is the ID of our account. This is our account, and you can see it's loaded United States, Arkansas, and I can see all the US states. But if I switch it, maybe they move to Australia for some reason. Now we've got the Australian states, and if I click submit, it will update that country and state back. So this is my Salesforce account. I'll refresh it, and you can see now it's in Australia. That's how easy it is to work with states and countries using Salesforce and Form Titan. Thank you very much.